I think fear factor should have included licorice. Licorice is one of those things that people either love or hate, and most people hate it. But if you're looking for gifts or something to give somebody who really likes and gets excited by new flavors, licorice is your go-to, and not the junk that you had as a kid, okay? There's 3 things I'm going to recommend, and the first one is this that's available on Amazon. I have it right here. It's super salty. You want to just take one little bite of the starfish and let it melt, eat one. Get through one bite, and then tomorrow take another bite, and eventually, I promise you, you'll be craving it. Because I crave it, and I've never liked licorice before. Jacobson's is out of Portland, Oregon, and they have 2 kinds of licorice. One is all natural, and the other is black. They are made with all the same ingredients, except the black includes black food coloring, and that's a liquid, so it loosens it up a bit and it's a little bit softer. So I would pick the natural because they both taste really good, and they get the salt from the area, from the ocean in the area, and everything is well salted and tastes amazing. So highly recommend that. You can order that online. And then the last thing is for those luxury people in your life, okay? Licorice is not only beautiful, but the more I researched it, the more I found out about their philosophy, and they do the cutest cutaways of all their different varieties. There are cocoa nibs in there. There are flavors for the spring, and it's a chocolate combination that's just so amazing. So prove you're tough and try some licorice.